Hey, everyone, welcome back to Super Deals Alert. In today's video, we're bringing you 7 incredible deals on tool sets for mechanics and home improvement. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future savings. Alright, let's dive right in. Number 1. Craftsman 12-point SAE Wrench Set 7-piece. Price at $26.99, is currently on sale for $14.99. Number 2. Performance Tool W1532-107 PC Home and Auto Tool Set, Hand Tools, Tool Sets, Red. Price at $94.99, is currently on sale for $41.11. Number 3. KingTool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit, General Home/Auto Repair Tool Set, Toolbox Storage Case with Drawer, General Household Toolkit, perfect for homeowner, dyer, handyman. Price at $149.99, is currently on sale for $69.99 after applying the $20 coupon. Number 4. Craftsman 1/4 and 3/8 in. Drive SAE 6 and 12-point mechanics tool set 104 pieces. Price at $149.99, is currently on sale for $79.99. Number 5. DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, 142-piece, 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive, mm/SAE, DWMT 73802. Price at $155, is currently on sale for $103.57. Number 6. Milwaukee Max Bite SAE Combination Wrench Set 15.04 inches. L15 pieces. Price at $139.99, is currently on sale for $118.99. Number 7. DEWALT Mechanics Tool Set, SAE and Metric, 1/2, 1/4, 3/8 drive sizes, 192 pieces, DWMT 75049. Price at $277.99, is currently on sale for $205.11. The links to these deals are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!